right, so when you look at this question, the first step is read the question carefully. And since it's asking for the 200-mile trip, the first 100 miles is 50 speed, and the next 100 miles is the 75. So when it comes to the average, so you're finding the total distance and then total time it took. Now this is the normally steps, try to understand. I mean, if you want to do it on step by step, this is you can get, and then you can find the time here, and then find the time here, and then you write it down, all these things. But if this question comes under the test, and probably you want to save time and then not write all these steps, what we can do, this is what you can do. Now look at it, and then in your brain is you're having that thought process, and the first 100 miles, because you're finding the speed formula we already know is the distance over time. So I know the distance already. All I need to know, the time. So time is, so right here is 100 miles and 15 miles per hour. So the first thing is time here is time, it's 2 hours, because 100 divided by 50, that's 2 hours. And the second one is the 75. So it's 100 over 75, that's going to be time is 4/3. Okay? Because 100 divided by 75, which is 4/3. Now you can add these two, that is 10/3. Okay, now all you need is find out the average speed. So the speed is 200 over this. So 200 over 10/3. Obviously cross this 0 here. And then you flip it, keep change flip. That's 60 miles per hour. So that is the quick tip to end when you answer these type of questions here. Okay, that's all you got to do.